If you're getting this error message from the Rockstar Games Launcher and the error says the Rockstar Games Launcher requires an update, minimum supported Rockstar Games SDK version, the version has been provided here. Also they say current Rockstar Games SDK version, which is 0.0.0.0. Now I'll guide you on how to resolve this problem. Make sure you follow the instructions very carefully. Now first, make sure you close the Rockstar Games Launcher. You can select here close, or make sure to check here on the system tray. If there is a Rockstar Games Launcher, just right click on it and then select here exit. Now this will close the Rockstar Games Launcher. Now what you need to do first, uninstall the Rockstar Games Launcher. To uninstall the Rockstar Games Launcher, you can press Windows+I. Now select on the installed files. On the installed files, you should see all the list of the installed apps. So you'll have to search here for Rockstar. You'll see here the Rockstar Games Launcher. Now click on the three dots and then select uninstall. This will uninstall the Rockstar Games Launcher. Now after uninstalling the Rockstar Games Launcher, also uninstall Rockstar Games Social Club if it appears in apps and features. So make sure to search for Rockstar. If you see here which says Rockstar Games Social Club, so if you see the Rockstar Games Social Club, make sure to also uninstall it. So you can search here for Social Club. If it doesn't appear, then just leave it and then let's go to another step. Now after deleting those two, which is Rockstar Games Launcher and the Rockstar Games Social Club, now delete these folders if they remain. So go to this directory here, which is C Program Files Rockstar Games. So press Windows+E, select the C drive. Now go to Program Files. Now once you go to the Program Files, look for the folder which is called Rockstar Games. So Rockstar Games, if it appears, just go to the error section. You see here the Rockstar Games, make sure to also delete it. After deleting this folder, now let's go to another step. Go to this, which is C users, your username, documents, Rockstar Games. So press Windows+E, then go to the C drive, and then go to users folder. Open the users folder, and then open your username folder. Also open the username folder. Now follow the instructions. On the username, then open the documents folder. So go to the documents, which is D. Here the documents, open the documents. Now inside the documents, look for the Rockstar Games folder. So go to the Rockstar Games folder. If you see it, which is this one, make sure to also delete it. After deleting this, also go to C Program Data and Rockstar Games. Make sure to delete the folder if you see it as well. So go to press Windows+E and then go to the C drive, look for the Program Data, which is this one. If you don't see the Program Data, you can just select the three dots, select the three lines here, which shows, and then make sure to tick hidden items. So once hidden items is ticked, you should see the program data. Open the program data, look for the Rockstar Games folder, go to the error, which is this one. Make sure to delete this folder as well. After deleting this folder, now just restart your PC. Then after restarting your PC, download and install the latest Rockstar Games Launcher. So to download and install the latest Rockstar Games Launcher, you can go on Google and then just type Rockstar Games Launcher. So just type Rockstar Games Launcher download. You'll see this link here. You can either click on this first link or this one. Now also click to this link. It will take you to the page where you can download the latest version of the Rockstar Games Launcher. And then make sure to select here download for Windows. After downloading it, now install it in the default location on the C drive. Make sure to choose the C drive when installing the latest version of the Rockstar Games Launcher. Now maybe if installing you're still experiencing the same issue, the Rockstar Games Launcher requires an update. Now try another fix here. Just uninstall Rockstar Games Launcher, just like I've shown you on the first step on how to uninstall it. Make sure to uninstall the Rockstar Games Launcher. After uninstalling, also make sure to delete all these folders that I've shown you. I cannot repeat the same steps, but you do understand on what I tell you if you delete these folders. So make sure to go to these directories and make sure to delete this folder for Rockstar Games. Then step 2, run PowerShell in administrator mode. Paste below the command and press enter. Now don't worry, all these commands will be available on the description of this video. So you'll have to search here for PowerShell. Just type PowerShell and then click open. Now once you open your PowerShell, what you need to do, you'll have to paste this command here and then press enter. So after copying this command on the description of this YouTube video, just open PowerShell as administrator. So you'll have to search for PowerShell and then open as administrator. click yes to allow the app to make changes. Make sure to paste this command and then make sure to press enter to run this command here. After running this command, now the next step is install Rockstar Games Launcher and your issue is resolved. So the next step, which is step 3, you'll have to install the Rockstar Games Launcher by going to this page here, which the link will also be available in the description of this video. Just download the latest Rockstar Games Launcher, install it on your PC, and choose the default location, which will be the C drive, and the issue should just be resolved. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.